In this video, I'm going to show you how I made a custom ski boot punch. One of the problems is ski boots don't always fit, and I love my boots. It's just the fit isn't exact, but they're super warm. My Scarpa Mistrale RSs are awesome. I just needed to stretch them out a little bit. What I'm going to do is show you where I got a clamp from Harbor Freight, one of those huge mega clamps that's super cheap. Bought a couple of PVC parts from Home Depot and built my own custom clamp, and I'm going to show you how I punched my own boot. Can you make a ski boot punch DIY? Absolutely. Got my clamp from Harbor Freight and I'm working on my PVC parts. I'm going to show you everything I used to do it. 2 3/4 plugs, 1 1/4 slip-on cap, a 1 1/4 to 3/4 PVC bushing converter, a 2 inch to 3/4 bushing converter, and I've got my crushing rig right here. Just need a little bit of tape inside to lock these pieces, and I'm good to go. Tear off 32 inches of duct tape and wrap it around the pincher here. There we go. Load the points into the ends. And now I've got a homemade punch tool that I can clamp inside my boot. Next step, heat the boot up. And a little bit of heat. Gentle, slow, careful heat. And voila. And after some slow, gentle heating, shouldn't ever read hotter than 200, so 160, 140. 200 is where this really starts to flex, so you gotta be very careful. Nice, gentle, slow heating. Almost there. Just gotta be careful. And make sure when you're doing this, do not exceed 200 degrees with the heat gun. The boiling water thing's okay, but the heat gun, gotta be really careful. Also, my boots, the plastic is shapeable here, but this is all carbon fiber, so there's nothing shapeable. So I don't want to break that seam, otherwise I just trashed a $1,000 boot. And now that I've got it heated up, I quickly clamp. And just let it cool down. It's got to come all the way to room temperature, 72 degrees or 68 or 70 degrees Fahrenheit or 20 degrees Celsius. So I just got to let it sit, chill out. Sometimes it takes 20 plus minutes to let it cool. But once I release it, I will have a beautiful new punch. All right, been about half an hour. Let's see. Woo! Yeah, ta-da! Finished the boot punch, and it definitely feels better. That little bulge, I probably need to make it a little bit longer because I can still feel some pressure there, but it's certainly better than here. So that's how you do a boot punch in ski boots. Just be careful.